Well, hey folks, Species 7 here, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the Dyson Sphere Program. Oh, what are we building? Oh, I see stuff. Cool. Very cool, but I want... yes, a mining machine. Build me one of those, please. Blah, blah. We'll have that in just a moment. So, I have, plunked on a wee bit since the last time. I've added a second mill to the copper and a smelter, so I've got the raw ores coming in this side being smelted, put out this side. Same thing going on over here, pretty much an identical setup. There you go. And that's doing quite well. These are absolutely full. Now I've done the same thing over here with our iron. I've dropped a second one. And I've got one smelter that's putting out bars. By the way, if you want some, just click on one and then left click. And it will give you whatever's on the belt. And the other smelter is, I guess, sucking the magnetite out of the iron ore. It's producing ring magnets. It's even putting them in nice little containers for us. I thought that was rather nice of them. Alright. How's my thing coming along? That's not what I want. Fine. Let's go into our inventory and grab it. Oh, apparently I already had one. Alright. I want to turn around, grab some of this stone. Maybe in here. That looks pretty good. Alright, let's grab that. There we go. Now we're mining stone. Now, let's go to... Okay, I like having you up here, actually. Thank you very much. Alright, let's go to our logistics section. Let's grab us some belts. And... let's build it across to there. And then I'd like a storage... oh, no, I don't want a storage station, sorry. I actually want a smelter. What do you mean not enough? Build me one. Okay. Thank you. We'll get that built, then we'll go back to logistics. And you need to get out of the way, buddy. We'll stick a double feed in that side. Okay. And you, dude. I think the only thing you can make with rock are these stone. I wonder if you put... ooh, you can make glass as well, eh? Okay, well you can do that, and then what I'm actually going to do, I didn't realize that there were two things we made with the stone, so we're going to go boom, come on this side of it, and we're going to make ourselves another smelter. Yes, we are. Oh, actually, I don't. Want those? Okay. There's our other smelter up. Lovely. I'm going to put that one there. Okay, apparently. There we are. You are going to produce glass. Nice. Alright, let's get ourselves in position. Back to logistics. A couple of these guys. Okay, it's pulling that way, so we should be able to put one. No? There we go. That was just one too far over. Alright. And then I'm pretty sure you can put whatever you like in these. Okay.
You built a storage, which can be used to store cargo.
Thank you.
You can manually store or use the sorter to automatically stock the cargo.
Okay. Now we want on this side, we're going to do the same. Okay, now he's getting glass and stone. Awesome. Alright, now that basically gives us our... Now this guy here, I've just got him doing thing for now. He's just simply filling up whenever he gets a chance to fill up, and not much more, and that's fine. So that takes care of our basic resources, I think. They're all being mined to a satisfactory degree. So what we need to look at now that we got the basic resources is where we're going with them. And I guess that takes us back here. And this guy that we did, the electromagnetic matrix. we want to be able to build some of these. So we're going to need magnetic coils, which are copper and rings. And then we're going to need these guys, circuit boards, which are copper and iron. Alright. Yeah, see, to continue on even with the first level of the tree, we need these. We also need them to get much further in this, the upgrades, right? So, with that, what we're going to need is assemblers. And we're going to want one that's going to take copper and iron. So, I think my best bet at this point is going to be to do this. Okay. And then we're going to run this one there and a copper one to there as well. Right, and we will have assemblers. So, assemblers, lovely. That's a matrix lab. Oh, there we are. Okay, I have a couple of assemblers. That's convenient, isn't it? So, here, let's get rid of this so I can kind of see. So I'm going to want one from there and one from there. And then I'm going to want it to output. Okay, so... Now, you are producing just those, so... I need to turn around here. Okay. Okay, it needs 2 iron, so we're going to go to there. And then it needs... Oops, I think I went one too far. Okay. Well, you can see the ground being modified underneath it. That's wild. I never noticed that before. Okay, there we go. You're going to get 1 copper. And here comes the iron. So that'll give you 2 iron. Alright, good stuff. Good stuff indeed. Now... Too close? Really? Okay. Alright, so you're powered up. And you are going to make from those... these. Electrical circuits. Yes, you are. And... to get you to do that, I'm gonna need, as I said, 2 iron and 1 copper. Alright. That easy, he's making circuits. Now this guy here, yes, we want you oh no, you're stone, I'm sorry. This guy here, we want you over there. So once again with the belts, and I believe this is an even amount. I believe. Anyway. Yeah. So you... See, I believe you can feed them from any side. Yeah, we need power. So, where's our nearest? Okay, I think we'll just suck a little Tesla tower over there. And you are gonna make rings. Okay, it wants 2 of those, so let's go back to our logistics. Ooh. Make me some quick. Come on. There we go. Alright. So these guys are now both producing what we need to make those packs, matrices. So I think what we need to do now is, in fact, supply a matrix, or supply a factory to build them. So that's what we're gonna do.
Matrix Lab. You can use it to make super matrices, or research technologies that require them to unlock. The super matrices are the source code of the center brain for maintaining the homeworld. You can upload as many super matrices to the center brain as possible. You can be benefit to unlock more actual world technologies by operating the home world simultaneously.
Now this, where these get cool, we're going to raise this up in the air. Why does it go? Oh, I see. I can't see. Okay. Now, what is that? O to reset to surface? Apparently not. Q? Sure looks like an O. Maybe it's a 0. No? Because if you do that, it drops all of it down, you see? That raises all of it up. Reset to surface. Well, I wonder if you need to build it to there. And then reset to surface? No? Well, that's a bit of an issue because I don't know how to get it to go back down again. Well, that's just going to start at 1 up, isn't it? Yeah, that's no good. Obviously. So how do I get you to go back down? Okay, so that's now back at that level. Okay. Well, I'm not trying to turn. Why are you saying I'm turning? Slope too steep. endpoint must be horizontal. What? Oh. Well, that time it seemed to go back down to the ground. Interesting. Okay. Okay. So now we should be close. We need to here, and from here, and then from here to no, what are you doing? Why did you do that? Don't do that. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now apparently what you're needing is a wee bit of power. And it would like to be told what to make. Excellent. We're now making the cubes. So, that is... besides being a mess, that is actually our first fully functioning factory system. How's this gonna do? Ooh, look at that. All the stone and glass we could want. He's got 10 of those built so far. So, with that, let's go in here. And let's activate this. Awesome. And there it goes, counting it down. Now, obviously, this isn't, well, first of all, it's not the most efficient system. You know, I don't have X number of smelters per mine. Alright. Very nice.
You have unlocked the universe exploration. Now you can click the details display button in the lower right corner of the screen to open real-time distribution details of the ore veins.
Vein distribution. Cool. 24 total. 1.4 million. 823,000. Very cool. Alright. What else can we now unlock that we're making those things? Yeah, see, these are all within our duism now. Drive engine. Oof, that requires a lot. So what do we got for technologies now that we can do? I think we can now... ooh, what do these give us? High power exciter can be used to extract and refine crude oil. Wireless power tower, remote transmission. Ooh. And charge mecha. Prisms. Wireless power towers. Alright. See, this only stores up to 10 at a time. So I think what I want to do here... Oop. Let's get it to build us a storage. There we go. Now. There we are. It will now save them in storage so that we can take them and use them for our very own. As this guy is still counting down. So that wasn't too bad. A little bit of a fuffle of trying to figure out how to get these belts to go back down. But I mean, that's so cool. You know, the fact that you can do that with them without needing other... You know, the other thing that's neat, these things, the loaders and unloaders, they'll actually go up to 3. So you can put another belt in here. And you can have it unloading if you want. You know, and then another belt on the other side and have that running a different material. Like I say, you can make things more efficient as you go. And then there's the whole deal, of course, that, you know, if this will mine, I believe it's 4 a second. Well, smelters will process 1 per second. So to be the most efficient, I'd want 4 smelters doing something. Right? Yeah, I don't know how to get this to take it from... Like, I thought these guys were supposed to be able to do the actual research. You know? And that should be it. Yep. That will get us that fluid extractor unit. And we have one of those over there, I believe. The actual place to put an oil extractor? Or was that on an earlier map? Well, that might have been on an earlier map. There's copper veins. Ooh, there we are. That's now done. Might as well. It's the last thing in the first level. Another iron vein back here. Ah, here's the oil up here. Crude oil. Off that way. Another one off that way. Certainly a little ways from our, that's a coal vein out there. More iron, coal, copper, stone. Yeah, we can rock this place for a while. He seems to automatically fly over watery parts. Probably a good plan, all things considered, you know? What the, Y0? Oh. It seems to be taking them directly out of there now. Oh, because they go in here, that's Y0, dopey. There you go. There, 8, 7, nice. So yeah, may not be pretty, but there you are. We have our very first ones. There we go. We still have these. Of course, it gives you some of the items once you research them, eh? It gave us one storage tank for storing fluid and one plasma exciter. Nice. How are we doing? Ooh! We're running out, laddie. So we'll put all of that in there. It ain't much. We'll put all of that in there. And then, this is what I've been saving all this coal for. Boom. Oh, nice. That'll give us energy for a long while. Okay. We're almost done. Oh, this is full. It's just filling the last stack of stone, and then it's completely done. Alright, there's the electrical magnetic drive. Now that allows us to move on to some of these other things where we actually needed those to get them to work. Improved logistics. Well, that just requires 100 of those. That gives us a splitter and a Mark II sorter. Not sure what the difference is, but you'll notice that required, to make that, required those motors we just learned. Upgrades. Yeah, see, it requires 60 of these. This requires, ooh, steel. Interesting. Ooh. Oh, it speeds up. I thought it would maybe, Holy smokes. Vertical construction, ray transmission, look at all of this stuff. Logistics carrier engine. Wow. Okay, there's, yeah, no shortage, eh? Wow. Energetic graphite. Whew. Alright, well, we got a long ways to go. But I think for the moment, we're going to call it there, guys. So, hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And until next time, well, take care of each other, folks. Look at our really cool, man. And ciao for now.